Now you have to see mechanism of response coordination. See, multicellular organisms have a highly developed mechanism with the help of which they receive and respond to both types of stimuli, internal or external. And mechanism in actual is a stepwise process and involves the following three steps. First is receiving the stimuli. Stimuli is received by receptors in the body, which are mostly the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs, okay? Ear, nose, your tongue, then skin and eyes. These organs convert the stimuli into electrical nerve impulse, which are transmitted to brain, that is central nervous system, through specialized nerve cells, which are called as sensory nerves. Specialized nerves called sensory nerve. Then processing the stimuli received by central nervous system is processed in the specialized neural centers, and it gives a specific response which is transferred to effector organ, which will bring about the effect due to stimulus. Then transferring the response, motor nerve. Sensory we had here, now motor nerve transfer the response generated by central nervous system to the effectors, and effector organs are responsible for taking action. Muscles and glands are common effectors. The body parts affected by the stimulus is withdrawn by the effectors. For example, if your foot accidentally hits a sharp rock, then the effector, that is muscular action, helps in the withdrawal of your foot. Okay? Now think and act. Sometimes you show response which are considered purposeless activities. For example, shaking legs while sitting, twitching lips while talking, scratching head while hearing, moving ring in the finger, chewing nails while watching a program, etc. Like these, there are many other examples which you see daily amongst your friends. The reason for these responses may be due to tension and stress, or due to arguments with someone or some other similar situation. That is what we call as nervousness. The person showing these kind of responses are mostly seem to be worried, or they easily get frightened. In order to have good personality, one should never try to show these types of responses. So they are symbols of nervousness. The person is nervous if you are doing anything of these, very usually. Then reflex action, very important. These are automatic, unconscious and involuntary responses of effectors, that they may be muscles and glands to a stimulus, that is called as reflex action. Unconscious, involuntary, remember, they are also called as reflex. For example, scratching movement of the hind leg of a dog when you tickle its tummy, or pulling your hand away from a hot object. These actions are carried out quickly without thinking and often have a protective function. Many are inborn, others are learned. Means these are of two types, inborn and learned. Inborn reflexes, they are inherited and need not to be learned. Some examples are knee-jerk reflex, pupil reflex, coughing, blinking, producing saliva, response to pain.